Hey everybody, this is Chris. I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is going well in your part of the world. Today I want to bring you a video about 4 words that a lot of English learners get confused, whether it's the meaning or the pronunciation. Cloth, cloths, clothes, and clothing. So these words are really hard to say, let alone get the differences in meaning right. So let's look at them slowly and one by one. First of all, we have cloth. This word is cloth. 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 So this is just something that you wipe the table with, or it refers to the material that your clothes are made out of, made from cloth. This could be a tablecloth, it could be a cleaning cloth, or it could be cloth that you use to make clothes. Okay, this is cloth. Then we have cloths. So this is the same, but with a s sound on the end. Let's say this word, cloths. Cloths. A little difficult, this pronunciation, but with practice you can get it. Next, we have the word that is really common that a lot of people pronounce wrong. This is clothes. 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 So this is talking about the clothes that you wear every day, the individual items of clothing. So what is the difference between clothes and clothing? Clothes normally is the word that refers to what we wear every day. For example, I'm going on holiday tomorrow. I need to pack my clothes. We wouldn't normally say clothing here. I like to wear bright clothes. Right, bright clothes, yeah. I always prepare my clothes for the next day before I go to bed. So if you're talking about everyday life, what you wear, normally we will say clothes. Okay, so what is clothing then? Clothing is a term that refers more to a lot of different clothes, a type of clothes, all sorts of clothes. For example, we could say women's clothing, we could say men's clothing, sports clothing, formal clothing, something like that. In these circumstances, we could also use clothing. You could say men's clothes, women's clothes, or clothing. It's talking more about clothes in general rather than the specific things you're putting on tomorrow. So this is the difference between the 2 words. Normally we wouldn't say like 4 clothes. We would say 4 pieces of clothing or 4 items of clothing. But normally we could also say 4 shirts, 4 t-shirts, 4 polo shirts. It might be strange to say items of clothing, even though this is strictly the correct term. And then lastly, we have clothes. Clothes. Okay, so this word is a verb which means to give somebody clothes or to put clothes on somebody. It's quite formal, it's not common at all. So probably you won't be using this very much. Just remember the pronunciation of clothes. Okay, let's try it one more time. C-L-O-Z-S. Clothes. The hardest part is the transition at the end between z and s. Clothes or clothing. Both of them have this z sound where your vocal cords are moving. Clothing and clothes. Okay, that's enough about clothes. So I really hope you found this video useful. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified about all my new videos. Head on over to my website to see all of my updates and my courses, which are coming soon. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you, and bye for now.